Welcome to today's video. We are going to learn some very useful English words with the prefix un. This prefix usually means not or the opposite of. Now, let's look at some common words with the prefix un and see typical examples of how they are used. Unarmed, not carrying or having a weapon. The man was unarmed when the police stopped him. Unaware, not knowing about something. Not conscious of something. He was unaware of the new rules at work and accidentally broke one. She walked into the room unaware of the surprise party waiting for her. Unboxing. The act of opening a new product, often electronics, toys, or gifts, and showing what is inside, usually in a video. I watched an unboxing of the new smartphone on YouTube. Uncanny. Very strange. Hard to explain. She has an uncanny ability to guess what I'm thinking. Uncertain. Not sure. I'm uncertain about the results. Unchanged. Not changed. Remaining the same as before. The town looked unchanged after 10 years, as if time had stood still. Despite the criticism, his opinion remained unchanged. The Vikings and Greeks were often seen as examples of uncivilized and civilized peoples, respectively, because of their different ways of living and fighting. No reason this has to be uncivilized. We can discuss our disagreements calmly. Shouting at the table is uncivilized. Littering, like throwing trash on the street, is an uncivilized behavior. Unclear, not clear. His instructions were unclear. Uncomfortable, physical discomfort, not pleasant to sit, wear, or feel. This chair is uncomfortable to sit on for a long time. Emotional or social discomfort, making you feel uneasy, nervous, or embarrassed. He felt uncomfortable talking about money with her friends. Uncommon, not common, rare. It's uncommon to see dolphins here. Unconditional, not limited by conditions, absolute and complete. Unconditional. Parents often give unconditional love to their children. She offered her unconditional support during her difficult time. Unconditional can also describe fans who always support their team, no matter if it wins or loses. It means their loyalty never changes. The unconditional supporters cheered for the team through every season, win or lose. Die-hard fans is a colloquial expression for the most loyal and passionate supporters. It describes people who stay devoted to their team, band, or idol, no matter the losses, trends, or passing of time. The die-hard fans stayed until the last minute of the concert, cheering for every song. Uncontrollable, impossible to control. She had uncontrollable laughter during the movie. Uncover, to remove a covering from something. The archaeologists uncovered an ancient tomb. Uncover, figurative, to reveal or discover something hidden. The investigation uncovered many financial irregularities. Undisputed, not questioned, certain. He is the undisputed champion. Undo, reverse an action. She undid her shoes before going to bed. Unemployed, without a job. He has been unemployed for 6 months. Unemployment, the state of not having a job. Unemployment is a serious problem in many countries. Unfair, not fair. It's unfair to blame him for everything. Unfamiliar, not known, not recognized. The town was unfamiliar to me. Unfinished, not completed. He left the project unfinished. Unfortunate, unlucky, sad. It was unfortunate that the game was canceled. We usually say game for American sports and for video or board games, while match is used more in British English for competitions like football or tennis. Unfriendly, not friendly. The waiter seemed unfriendly. Unhappy, not happy. She felt unhappy after the exam. Unhealthy, not healthy. Eating too much fast food is unhealthy. Unimportant, not important. That detail is unimportant to the story. unimaginable, impossible to imagine. The damage was unimaginable, unintelligent, not intelligent. It was unintelligent to leave the backpack with the keys and laptop inside the car, in full view of everyone. Uninterested, not interested. He seemed uninterested in the conversation. Unlucky, having bad luck. He was unlucky to miss the train. Unnecessary, not needed. Something that is not required. Unnecessary, not needed. It was unnecessary to bring so much food to the picnic. Carrying so many books to class was completely unnecessary. Oh, it's completely unnecessary to apologize so many times. I already understand. His harsh comments were unnecessary and only made the team feel worse. Unorthodox, not usual, not traditional. The teacher used an unorthodox method, but it worked. Unpack, to take things out of a suitcase, bag, or box. I need to unpack my suitcase after returning from the trip. She spent the afternoon unpacking boxes in her new apartment. Unpleasant, not pleasant. The smell in the room was unpleasant. Unsafe, not safe. The building is unsafe to live in. Unsavory, taste-related, having a bad taste or smell. The fish was old and tasted unsavory. Unsavory, figurative, morally bad, offensive, or unpleasant. He has been involved in some unsavory business deals. Unsure, not sure, uncertain. I'm unsure about my answer. Unthinkable, impossible to imagine. It would be unthinkable to cancel the wedding now. During the meeting, everyone agreed that it was unthinkable for her to refuse the promotion. Untie, to undo a knot or fastening. She untied her shoelaces before taking off her shoes. Untie, figurative, to free or release from something restrictive. The speech untied many doubts in the audience's minds. Untidy, not tidy, messy. His room is always untidy. Unusual, not usual, rare. It's unusual to see snow here in April. Unwanted, not wanted. He felt unwanted at the party because nobody included him in the conversations. I keep receiving unwanted emails every day. Unwell, not well, sick. She is feeling unwell today. Unwise, not wise. It would be unwise to go out in the storm. It would be unwise to invest all your money in one company because you could lose everything. Unworthy, not worthy, not deserving. After failing the exam, he felt unworthy of his parents' support, even though they told him they were proud of his effort. The politician said he felt unworthy of such an important award and dedicated it to the people who had supported him. Unwrap, to remove the wrapping from something, like a gift or package. She carefully unwrapped the present and smiled. Unwrap, to reveal or discover something gradually. The story slowly unwrapped the secrets of the past. Unwritten, not written down, but generally accepted or understood. It's an unwritten rule that you should bring a gift when invited to someone's home. Thanks for watching. Remember, learning new words is never unnecessary. See you in the next video.